if you get an opportunity to say something to your partner, what would you want to say?
I didn't think about this question.
I think I would probably say, I can't believe we're husband and wife, and I love you.
I'd probably like to thank you for 6 years. I can't wait to spend many more with you. So I definitely said I love you first.
I felt the same way, but I was too nervous to say it.
I told her simply, my love for you is just growing.
And we were both very shy to meet in person.
When we first met in person, it was at York University on a bench.
I showed him around my campus, and we walked around, and then he dropped me home, and that was our first date.
So I guess maybe I'm a little too fast to jump the gun. I already saw my whole future with her from the moment I saw her.
For me, it definitely took a few months after meeting in person.
So I got attached to her from the moment I met her.
And yeah, we've been together for 6 years.
I just already knew, like, she has to be the one.
When you fall for someone, you just fall for someone. You fall for their personality, you fall for, like, I fell for his sense of humor, his kindness, all of him.
I'm really excited to see my beautiful bride and start our journey of a wonderful life together.
Out of dust my hands will make things that crack and things that break. Out of age I'll lose my soul, chasing after fool's gold.
Hi, Deb.
Hello.
Are you excited?
Yeah. I want chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
I'm hungry.
Oh my god. I got you a nice, delicious cookie.
1?
3.
Okay, good. Did you peek?
All I see is a little bit of white right now.
Okay. You're not supposed to look right away.
Wow.
Wow.
Am I really getting married?
Yes, you are.
Were you always this beautiful?
Okay. Odesh, you are my rock, my biggest supporter, my soulmate, and my very best friend. Today, I choose you to be my husband. I chose you in 2018, I choose you today, and I will continue choosing you forever. I love you.
I am grateful you chose me to be your husband. Thank you for always being there for me. I love you, baby girl. I love you always.